Namaskar, this is Nyamika and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well and very warm welcome to my next episode of #challenging Saturday. So guys, আজি মোৰ বহুত excited হৈছো আকৌ because আজিও মই যোনটো challenge পাইছো এটো quite an interesting challenge হয় and যেহেতু আপোনালোকে জানে যে মই ধৰক মেকআপ লাহেলা শিকি আছো বা কৰি আছো and most of মই obviously যেহেতু মই ৰাইট হ্যান্ডৰে সব কাম কৰো গতিকে মই মেকআপৰ ৰাইট হ্যান্ডৰে কৰো but আজিৰ চ্যালেঞ্জটো মোক দিছে again Samira Chauhan jone muk ei blindfold sari challenge to disle tai muk ako eta challenge dise tai muk dise can you do opposite hand makeup challenge so definitely edu obviously mur karone olop tan hobo I think so because moi huhatre zero kora gori ba hatat moi iman expert no hoy so I'm really excited to try this challenge and again apnalokor jodi kiba challenges theke please dibo মই বিচাৰো কি আপোনালোকে অলপ পাৰ্টিসিপেট কৰক অলপমান যদি সময় থাকে লাইক যিহেতু আপোনালোকে কমেন্ট কৰে গতিকে যদি কমেন্ট কৰে তাৰ ঠাইত আপোনালোকে মোক এটা চ্যালেঞ্জ দিব পাৰে এন্ড মই ডেফিনেটলি ভাল পাম আপোনালোকে যদি চ্যালেঞ্জবোৰ দিয়ে এন্ড উইদাউট ওয়েস্টিং মোৰ টাইম লেটস স্টার্ট মাই ভিডিও So guys, products in jikhini ase moi apnalok ekhini details eta di na jao ba koi na jao apnaloke already jehetu jane aru jodi kiba lage moi definitely mur stage wise jikhini products use korum apnalok description box or link bor dine apnaloke check out koribo pare so moi just mur makeup to start kora aru jikhini korim moi baw hatere korim so yes I'm really excited Guys, I must tell you it's not at all easy, okay? Because hat bahadar mor iman jure pora nai so bhalke moi kobole gole use koribo parane sponge to but still I'm trying hopefully bhal hoy jate Guys, more already hat khon bikhai goise trust me more mane ekdom anguli bikhai goise jur di but hopefully aru almost contouring leke paisu jeta baki khino jate koribo parim ya hetuke hope korisu And don't worry guys, apnaloke ji muk challenges je ma gute khiniye korim aru mur je apnaloke comment box or challenges khini dibo aru moi every weekend notun challenge khini koribole chesta korim so don't worry je apnar mur challenge to kora nai bili ami hebo sobore challenge kora hobo moi Nika and Care etu junto brown shader hoy hetu apply korim brown eye shadow to apply korim So guys, can you see মই actually surprised to say that মই actually বাও হাতৰে মই eyeshadow apply কৰিছো but এটা সবতছে I know এইটো সবতছে বেছি toughest হ'ব to apply eyeliner হো হাতৰে যে মই eyeliner apply কৰিব পাৰো হেটোৱে বহুত ডাঙৰ কথা এতিয়া যে বাও হাতৰে apply কৰাটো it's like a biggest task and গুটে মেকআপ যুদু কৰিছিলো বাও হাতৰে I think সব ফেইল হৈ যাব এতিয়া যদি eyeliner to apply কৰো I just hope কি যাতে যেন লগাব পাৰো Not bad, guys. Like, can you see it? Oh god, I'm so surprised. I'm actually seriously but it looks nice. I think I've done a great job. But let's see it so good logai sao. Can you see it, guys? Okoman beya korisu. I think I'm done with my eyeliner, and surprisingly imano eko beya loga nai bhalke logabo parisu kobole gole. Now let's move on to my mascara. Now let's move on to my final thing, which is lipstick. Obviously, go to my lipstick to apply korim. So guys, did you see? I actually did my makeup with my left hand. Like I generally expect kora nasilo je moi hasake baw hatre moi makeup to koribo parim, but I'm so proud of me right now because hu hatre makeup korate moi bahut dangor task disina lage, but aji moi baw hatre korisu. And can you see it? Wait, I'll show you. So guys, I think I have succeeded a challenge to je moi baw hate mane opposite hand challenge to makeup korasila. I think I have succeeded. Please apunalke comment down kori kobo challenge tu moi jikisune nai jika mane parisune nai pora, aru apunalkor jodi kiba challenges thake please give it to me, and I'm so happy with the result. So please apunalke comment box ot kobo, and I think that's about it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and please apunalke #challenging Saturday ba challenges delay hobo, it's fine. So I think and that's about it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And guys, don't worry, moi hokolore challenges for every week moi kori jam. So kuneo na bhaibo je apnalokor challenge bur moi eri disu, sobore challenge bur korim, so don't worry. And ajir week or kane etu asile, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye.